Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Hales and I make videos about the books that I'm reading. Today I have some book mail to unbox. I have a Probably Smut book club book, and then I have the next Shadowhunters Kickstarter the next book that came from that. There's an actual word that is escaping me right now, but I'm going to unbox these. I have definitely avoided spoilers from the Probably Smut box. I believe that this is January. I have seen the Shadowhunters one, but I know that it's going to be so much prettier in person, and I don't know if this one comes with any goodies, so we will see what all is in the box. I think I'm gonna start with Probably Smut just because I don't know at all anything about it. I don't know what the book is. I haven't seen anything about it, so we're gonna go with that one first because I have seen the book for the Shadowhunter one. So I might need to get something to open these with. Okay, I have gotten into it, technically. So let's see. I don't know what it is. Okay, let's see if I can get it out. There we go. Okay, so it is Green Light by Jessie Hall. I feel like I have heard of Jessie Hall. There's like another book that she wrote that you can't get anymore, right? I don't know what it is though. So I have the tabs that go with the book. I have the key, which is super fun. And then I have the book itself and some more review pages. Ooh, okay. And there is like art in the book that I just hit myself in the face with. This is gorgeous. I feel like I've seen the cover on social media, but I didn't know that it was Probably Smut. I have one more book coming from the book club, but I did cancel my subscription recently. Oh, and it's okay, so it's signed. I think this is like printed and signed. But yeah, so okay, so this looks like it's going to be interesting. This cover is so pretty though. I am obsessed. And then of course we have the annotation key and bookmark. Super fun. And then where am I going to put these? And I just dropped that. Give me a second. Okay. And then this also comes with the stickers. So there's this one. This one says Taboo Romance. This one is Straight from the Gutter. Okay. And then, oh, okay. This one says, You Gonna Be a Good Boy for Me? Okay, I think that's gonna be interesting. These are really cute. I have to pick one to put on the book review journal because I do one from each subscription. So that looks really good. I am super excited to get into that. Yeah, I don't know what else to say about it. I have a couple of the Probably Smut book club books that I need to get into. I haven't been in the best reading mood lately. I've been a little bit slumpy, which is, I guess, par for the course for me around this time of year. I am getting back into the swing of things, thank goodness. So I am super excited to get to that. Okay, and now I have the Shadowhunters one. I'm trying not to flash my address to the internet. Goodness, these are so hard to get into. Destroyed the cute little box that they send these in. Okay. Okay, so yes, it does come with goodies of some sort. Oh, yeah, it was the Matthew print sticker. I think it's a print. Yes. Gorgeous. Sit that there. Oh my gosh. These are so pretty. Good thing I grabbed a knife because I need to slice into it. Okay. Oh, I am so obsessed with the books that we have gotten so far. We've gotten Secrets from Blackthorn Hall, Secrets of Blackthorn Hall, and now Notable Shadowhunters and Denizens of Downworld. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's pretty. Oh, okay. So that is what the naked hardcover looks like. And then the flowers on the end pages. The back says, "But as for the creatures you speak of, the children of Moon, Night, Lilith, and Fairy, all are sold." Yeah. Oh my gosh. This is so pretty. I might like this one more than Secrets of Blackthorn Hall. Oh my gosh. I'm not going to go through and show you all of the illustrations, but we will find my favorite, my girl. Excuse me, hold on. That's why. Okay. So, this way. Okay. I was like, excuse me, where is my wife? There she is. There she is. Okay. This is just stunning. I am so happy. I can't wait to display these all together. I know that the slipcase is going to come with the last one. I don't know. I want to display them all face out. I don't think I'm going to be able to do that. My Shadowhunters shelf is insane. I need more room on it. I really kind of desperately do. It's like the 3-tiered Billy bookcase. I could genuinely take my Shadowhunters collection and put it on a full 7-tier full books shelf. And honestly, I might have to, because I have is it Litjoy crate? I have that whole Mortal Instruments series that is just sitting like on the floor. I have some special editions that are sitting on top of it. I'm gonna order the Litjoy crate Infernal Devices, which means that I will also be ordering at some point the Dark Artifices and the Last Hours and then the Wicked Powers, because I can tell that they're going to be putting all of them in these editions and I have to have them. So I'm going to need more space for my Shadowhunters shelf. It's kind of getting insane. That is all that I have for this video, though. I am so excited to finally have opened these. I have been sitting with them for probably a month. I think I've had them both now over a month. So yeah, it's been more than a month. I think that's the December probably smut. I skipped January. I'm gonna get February's, I believe. And then I think the Shadowhunters one has been in my house for like a month. So finally sat down and unboxed them. I have not been home all that much. I am finally feeling so much better. I haven't gotten sick yet. Crossing my fingers that I don't. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, like, comment, subscribe, all that YouTube stuff that you know how to do. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.